Are you feeling burnt out, uncomfortable, and isolated in social settings? You're not alone. So many of us feel like we're going through the motions, just trying to survive instead of truly living. But what if I told you that you have the power within you to completely transform your life by following Mindset Strategic Steps coaching? It's not about luck or connections, it's about tapping into that untapped reservoir of potential that lies dormant inside each and every one of us. Today, we're going to share the exact 3-step system that has helped countless individuals transform their lives from the brink of collapse into success, into the lives they always dreamed of. Are you ready to unleash your true potential? Let's dive in. This isn't about some magic pill, some quick fix. This is about igniting the fire that burns within you. The first step to achieving lasting change is understanding that you, and only you, hold the keys to your own destiny. You were born with everything you need to succeed, to be happy, to live a life most only dream of. It's time to shed those limiting beliefs, those voices in your head telling you that you're not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy. I'm here to tell you, you are. You have the power to change your thoughts, your beliefs, your actions. You have the power to change your life. It all starts with a decision to take control, to step outside your comfort zone, and to embrace the incredible potential that lies within you. Don't wait for permission, for someone to tell you it's your turn, because no one is coming. You are the author of your own story. You are the architect of your own destiny. You have the power to create the life you've always wanted. This is your wake-up call. It's time to stop making excuses and start making progress. It's time to stop doubting yourself and start believing in the incredible power that resides within you. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Remember, the only limits you have are the ones you set for yourself. Break free from those chains, shatter those glass ceilings. The world is yours for the taking if you're willing to step up and claim it. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's a muscle you build, and like any muscle, it needs to be worked. Confidence is the fuel that propels you forward. It's that unwavering belief in yourself that allows you to crush your goals, to silence the doubters, and to achieve the extraordinary. It's about owning your worth, embracing your strengths, and never being afraid to shine your light brightly for the world to see. Now, building confidence starts with recognizing your accomplishments, big or small. Every step you take towards your goals is a victory, and you deserve to celebrate those victories. Don't downplay your successes, embrace them. Because every time you acknowledge your accomplishments, you reinforce that belief in yourself, that belief that you are capable of amazing things. But it's not just about celebrating wins, it's about learning from your setbacks, from those moments that test your resolve. Remember, every challenge you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient, and more confident in your ability to handle whatever life throws your way. You see, confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about feeling the fear and doing it anyway. It's about stepping outside of that comfort zone, embracing the unknown, and knowing that even if you stumble, you have the strength to get back up and try again. And remember, surrounding yourself with a supportive community, with people who uplift you and believe in your dreams, is crucial. Find your tribe and cheerleaders inside the Mindset Strategic Steps Coaching private group, the ones who remind you of your greatness, especially when you need it most. Because when you surround yourself with positivity and encouragement, you create an environment where confidence can flourish. Life is a marathon, not a sprint, and along the way, you're going to face obstacles, setbacks, and moments that test your resolve. But here's the thing, setbacks don't define you. It's how you respond to them that truly matters. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to weather the storms of life and come out stronger on the other side. It's about having the mental fortitude to keep moving forward, even when the going gets tough. Now, developing resilience starts with cultivating an optimistic mindset. It's about choosing to focus on the good, even when things are difficult, because there is always something to be grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful force. It has the ability to shift your perspective, to remind you of your strength, and to help you find the silver lining in even the darkest of clouds. Remember, challenges are opportunities for growth. They are the fire in which your spirit is forged, the tests that reveal your true strength. Embrace them, learn from them, and allow them to shape you into the best version of yourself. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. We all need support, we all need guidance, and there's no shame in reaching out to others when you're struggling. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Surround yourself with a supportive community, with people who inspire you, who lift you up, and who remind you of your own inner strength. Because when you have a strong support system, you're better equipped to navigate the challenges of life and to come out stronger on the other side. Remember, resilience isn't about being invincible. It's about being able to bend without breaking. It's about knowing that you have the inner strength to overcome any obstacle, to weather any storm, and to emerge from the other side even more resilient, more capable, and more determined than ever before. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you respond to it. Outrow your transformation starts now. Remember, even if no one else believes in you, you have the power to transform your life. You have the strength to overcome any obstacle, to achieve any goal, and to create a life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. The journey won't always be easy, there will be challenges, there will be setbacks, but it's in those moments that you discover your true strength, your resilience, your unwavering spirit. Embrace the journey, my friends, because it's the journey that shapes you, that molds you, that transforms you into the extraordinary individual you were always meant to be. Start your journey today with mindset strategic steps, and embrace the success that awaits you. Believe in yourself, trust the process like all our successful clients who have come to us and transformed every area of their lives. Never ever give up on your dreams, or your dreams will give up on you. You have power within to do anything and everything. You are capable of achieving incredible things. The world is waiting for you to step into your power, to share your gifts, and to make your mark on the world. Now go out there and create the life you've always envisioned, the life you truly deserve.